So today I'm heading over to my buddy's house, gonna help him install some XTA Coilovers in his Mark VII GTI. He was at the Autocross event with me a couple weeks ago, and he's gonna do a before and after test comparing the stock suspension to the XTA Coilovers. So that should be pretty interesting. Let's do it. What is this trying to do? You're trying to lift the strut out of the...
The fact that the whole thing is coming up
is frustrating.
Don't have a side neighbor or neighbor across the street.
Yeah, you're on the corner.
And the back is like a brick wall to like a relatively quiet street.
Yeah, you would.
And there's a Taiwanese.
You would think like the biggest complaint is just like, oh, you live like you're gonna hear all the cars driving by, just because you're on a corner, right? You're on like a high traffic area. That's like, oof, Well, Monday's.
Yeah.
So that's it for the front of the car. We just left the camber set at 0. We didn't really want to mess with it at all. So now it's time to move to the back, put in those rear struts and springs, and then that beefy 25mm rear sway bar. Then we'll go for a drive and see how she feels.
Oh yeah, to get to like some of the viewing areas, yeah, you need at least a 4-wheel drive.
Right.
Just want you to know I'm capturing all of this on camera right now. Yes. It's the real highlight of the video.
That's a good thumbnail.
Yeah. You're gonna be tearing up that Autocross. Wow. I think you need some bucket seats now, some 6-point harnesses. Feels pretty solid. Oh, Jesus. Pretty successful. Does it feel tighter? Yeah. Feels more level. Yeah. Dominating.